In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove a payment method from your Google Play Store. So to do this, the first thing you'll need to do is open up Google Play. Once you have done that, you can now select your profile picture in the top right hand corner of the Play Store. Click on your profile picture and then you will need to select Payment and Subscriptions. Once you click on that, you can now select Payment Methods. Once you select payment methods, it will bring you to this page here, and what we need to click on today is more payment settings right down there at the bottom. Once you click on more payment settings, it will bring you over to your web browser, and here is where you can delete any of the payment methods that you do have. So scroll down to find the one you want, and once you are happy, you can click on the remove button. Once you click on remove, you can now confirm it by clicking the remove button again. And then once you click on that, as you can see, that has now been removed from my Google Play Store. So it's just simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.